You guys, hopefully y'all are enjoying this. Okay, it's totally fine. Everything is awesome. Everything is fine. Everything is awesome. Everything is fine. Totally. Okay, we're through it.
That one, yes.
Hi friends, welcome back to Daydreamer's Barn. And we appreciate you clicking on this video and coming along with us for the ride. I will put the name of this little village on the screen. It is right down the road from RAF Mildenhall and Lakenheath. It is quite beautiful. I can't see.
Let's take a left up at this Y.
Okay. Well, yeah, I think that's the way I have to go. Oh, there's a mobile library. That comes to...
That comes to where?
It goes to most villages. It goes to most villages here. Oh, look at the cherry blossoms. I think that's what they are. I'm not quite sure if that's what they are. I will put it on the screen. Which way?
Left. So I can go through the middle. No, you wait for me. Whoa, we're in the mini. I didn't want to go swimming. Yeah, it's definitely more water than you want.
No water inside the mini, thankfully. Well,
look at all this.
The fields are just swimming.
Just calling for more rain next week too.
I know. It's ridiculous. Oh, not ridiculous, but it's just crazy right now.
I don't think the farmers are too happy.
No. Not when they're losing their crops.
Yeah. It's either too much rain or not enough.
Well, that was gross.
Oh,
That was-
big puddle, big puddle, big puddle.
It was blending in. Woo! That was a little terrifying. Just be careful, guy.
Too worried about the monk jack.
I was. Another big one. We're going swimming today, guys. Will we make it through?
I spoke too soon on the mini being dry.
Oh. Go around. Be careful, guys. Okay.
That doesn't look as bad.
Okay. Woo! We picked the lowest vehicle to drive today. It's okay, it's okay. Whoa.
Alright, up here, it wants you to go left.
Again, I am driving. Chris is still down and out. Which way?
Left.
Okay. Oh, there's the thatched roofs again.
It's a pretty view right there.
Yeah, it is. They got a beautiful view from their place. A weak bridge. Chris, I don't want to have to push the car.
Very slow through here.
Oh, you guys, hopefully y'all are enjoying this. Okay, it's totally fine. Everything is awesome. Everything is fine. Everything is awesome. Everything is fine. Totally. Okay, we're through it.
That one, yes.
For the time being.
No, let's hope it's not too weak. If it can't support the weight of a Mini.
Or it's not flooded.
That's true.
Right? We definitely find some interesting roads.
Yeah, we do.
Let's take the path less traveled.
It is pretty though.
It is. The green and the blue and the little bit of grace clouds. I think it's just a beautiful day. It is turned out to be a beautiful day.
Yeah, a lot better when it started than what we thought it was going to be.
Look at this. I'm not going fast because I don't want to go fast and meet a stranger on the road. Was that just a rabbit?
I don't know.
It was huge.
Big rabbit or really small deer?
Yes, a hare. That was true. They're bigger than Axel. They're hares here. The deer here, I thought they were small. Nope, not at all. They don't have any predators, so they have nothing to be afraid of. They just live their best life here on the island.
Well, they do have predators, just small ones.
Yeah,
A lot of pheasants out there.
but we're humans. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy. The green, and these little purple.
Oh, we'll go real slow on this one.
Can I go around it?
You can try. Yeah, looks right. Good job.
Okay.
Good job.
That wasn't that bad. I was scared, but it's okay. Just look at the green.
This is the time I wish we had the Jeep or Durango right now.
Oh yeah. The Jeep with the top off
Yeah,
would be
that'd be fun.
wonderful. Right, you would. It's not cold. We're all wearing like a light, long sleeves, but that's it. Look at that in the distance.
Oh, nice.
Ooh.
The road ends, we're going to take a left.
When the road ends. Okay.
Where's this weak bridge that we're talking about?
Is this it? Maybe. Maybe this is it. I don't know. There's a monk jack. Oh.
Here's that weak bridge. There it is. Okay, let's make sure no cars coming. Should be good.
Jess, I'm doing a good job.
Doing amazing.
I couldn't see.
Underwater.
Ooh. turning. Oh, I can't see. Okay. Everybody hold. Oh, I was good.
Sheep.
Hi, sheep. Okay. These thatched roofs are just gorgeous. Hey, I know where I'm at.
I think so.
We're about to pass Guinness. We can stop there. Did we want to stop there? Is this it? This is it for Colette? Or do we want to go?
I don't know.
Oh, I think we may need reservations.
Yeah, I think so.
This house reminds me of Gogglebox. There's a couple on Gogglebox. I think, is it Gogglebox?
I think so.
That live in a little cottage with a thatched roof, and their seats match their wallpaper.
Turn left here, right here.
What?
No.
Well, this is where we've seen those big deer.
It is.
It's very rowdy.
Oh, we know where we're at now.
Alright, did we want to run to Tesco or something?
We can.
We gotta get.
Or we can go on base. We're right here at
Yeah.
base.
Sounds good.
Or we'll just go to the base, grab the stuff.
Okay.
I didn't drink spicy hot water instead.
Oh. I wonder if the deer are gonna be out again.
It's about
Yeah,
the
'cause
same time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be pretty cool. We can see them.
They were more beefy than American deer,
Yeah,
but their necks were.
they were huge. Like it, yeah. It's fine.
So we see the actual bull.
Yeah. Hi, buddy. Hi. Is that good food? Is that some good hay? You know who that reminds me of?
Rex.
Rex, yeah. Rex. Is that some good food? Is that good? Is that good food? Is that good? Is that good? Hi, bud. Beautiful farm shop and cafe. I would take you in, but a whole bunch of people are in there. The information regarding the Purple Pantry and everything it has to offer is in the description below. What I love about it is it offers everything locally sourced from England. Yeah, we really hope you enjoy this little ride with us. We were not able to do the intro nor the outro. Thanks, friends, for watching this video. We really hope you enjoyed it. As always, be good, make good choices, and be kind to someone today. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Bye, y'all. Mwah.